How to create a Roblox account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create your Roblox account. So first thing, make sure you have successfully downloaded your Roblox application from the Microsoft Store or from any of the browser, and once you open it, simply click on this create account option over here and make sure you enter your date of birth just like this. So let me just enter my date of birth over here. So once you do that, simply click on your confirm and just use any of your name, and it asks you to create a unique name. And once you do all of those things mentioned above, simply click on create account and wait for some time for your security process. And once you do all of that, you will be redirected to this page. This is your home page, and you can also add your email from over here. So that's it guys, that's exactly how you can easily create your account on Roblox. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.